Good evening, sir. Can I help you?
Good evening. Can I have a single room for 2 nights, please?
Of course, sir. I can give you a room on the top floor if you like. You have a great view.
That's fine, thanks.
Can you fill this form, please?
Sure. By the way, sure by sure, sure, Puff, buy a credit card.
Oh, you can pay by the credit card, sure. Can I see your card, please?
Here you go. By the way, by the way, is it
Possible
possible
to use
to use possible to use
the internet.
the internet here?
Of course. The business launch is on 17 floor. You can check your email anytime, but you can send a faxes after 10 p.m. Now,
Okay.
can I see your passport, please?
Okay.